version of our life is called Now That We Know Better, We Are Going to Do Better. So follow me in this video today as I teach you how to go along with your new transitioning journey from using unsafe skincare products to using safe skincare. Okay? Welcome to my channel today. If you are new, my name is Dikan, aka Ediko Cole, aka Queen of DIYs. So please make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post a video. And to my returning subscriber, hey, how are you today? Thank you so much for joining me. Always excited, always happy to have you back on the channel with me. So in today's video, like the title suggests, we are going to be talking about, or I'm going to be walking you through how to transition from using bleaching products to using safe skincare products, but still getting amazing results, still getting glowy skin, still getting beautiful skin. Firstly, I'm going to be walking you through a couple of things you need to know about this journey that you're about to take. And this is an absolute necessary topic because in the skincare world today, as we are trying to navigate our beauty regimen from using all of these toxic products to using safer products and still having beautiful skin, I'm sure you can bear me witness out there that most times if you've been using lightening products probably all your life and then you want to switch to products that are safer and more useful for your skincare regimen, you are going to experience some really hard times in going through this journey. And sometimes if you don't know what to do, you can just tire out and go back to status quo. But in this video today, I'm going to give you all the hints that you need, or all the tips, all the beauty tricks, all the advice that you need to get on with this journey and still get amazing results. Also, what I try to do here on my channel is bridge the gap between toxic skincare or unsafe skincare practices and safe skincare practices to make sure that you get the best results out of your regimen. So before we get into the topic on transitioning your skincare products, first I wanted to mention some pretty important things that are as important as the journey you're about to commence. I would greatly think I'm talking to my African sisters in this video. That would be Nigerian, Kenyan, everywhere in Africa. The things that we've learned so far in our skincare journey, especially in our earlier days, is practically not skincare. It's just teaching you how to use all of these dangerous toxic bleaching products on your skin. Example of that is using a set like this on your entire skin, or just not to talk down on another person's business or anything like that, using all of these 3D, 5D and all of those type of 7 days, 3 days whitening, lightening, half cast, Moroccan, and all of those things. All those things are not skincare. Products like that promise 3 days, 7 days to your skin, or half cast Moroccan, the name alone should indicate to you that those skincare products are not okay for your skin. Because think about it, your skin is the largest organ on your body. So why is this product changing my skin tone, almost everything about me in 3 days? Think about it. Is it safe for you? Is it safe for your health? I mean, this is not the preaching you probably want to hear on this video today, but I have to actually point that out. So using products like this again on your skin, I mean using the entire range, constantly topping up on these products, are generally not safe for your skin. Now, am I saying that entirely these products are bad? Most of them, yes, are actually bad for your skin, but some of them are actually not bad for your skin, but the usage and how we've been conditioned to continue using this type of products on our skin to change our skin tone, to depigment our skin, which is what most of us mostly do. I have done that before, so I'm not going to sit here and act all righteous and all of that. But now this version of our life is called Now That We Know Better, We Are Going to Do Better. So follow me in this video today as I teach you how to go along with your new transitioning journey from using unsafe skincare products to using safe skincare. Okay? Also, let me tell you the things to expect while in this journey so that you don't get this shock, or probably you've already experienced it before trying out, or if you're in the journey already, you definitely relate to what I'm talking about. Now, once you commence a journey from transitioning from, you know, bleaching products to safer products, first thing you're going to realize, or first thing you're going to experience, is a change in skin tone. You're going to definitely experience skin darkening, and this is absolutely normal. Now, you've probably gotten used to having your skin tone a certain color, and now you're switching, so it's probably going to affect you, and this could affect you mentally as well. It could affect your self-esteem, especially if you're just embracing this journey newly. But do not worry, it is part of the process. And another thing that I want you to consider is that this journey requires lots and lots of patience, because it is not just going to transform, or your skin is not just going to transform in one day. Another thing you could most likely notice along this journey is withdrawal, and that could be your skin withdrawing and also you mentally withdrawing from the journey. It's a lot, I promise you, it could be a lot, but don't worry. Like I said, this is totally normal. If you've decided to make this change for yourself, please keep along with this journey, and with the tips that I'm going to share later on in this video is definitely going to help you with how to navigate your journey, how to go about, you know, all of it in the first place. Withdrawal in the sense that your skin could flare up, especially if you were using this as treatment for acne, pimples, you know, all of that. These products are quite harsh. Once your skin gets used to them and you're trying to adjust from using that product, it might cause your skin to flare up. So you might start experiencing those things you were experiencing before that you were trying to treat. But fear not, these other products are safer and more healthy for your skin in the long run, or going this route will be a lot more beneficial for you in the long run. Because with toxic products, you get this result for a period of time and then your skin goes really bad, beyond repair, and that is what we are not trying to do. So stick with me, and in the end, this journey will definitely be worth the while for you. Another thing to expect is questions and shaming, and this would come from people around you. It could be family members, it could be friends, and all of that. People will start asking you, oh, why are you getting that? Oh, what's happening to your skin? Oh, is your product not working? Is this a lot of questions. Why? I mean, rightfully so, because they've seen you in another skin tone before, and now your skin probably doesn't look like it used to, so they could ask you all of those questions. Sometimes it could be from genuine concern, sometimes it could be that subtle calling out like, oh, you've stopped bleaching your skin, but all the same, it's for the greater good, so fret not. And yeah, let us get into how to actually transition from using bleaching products to using safer skincare products. The number one thing to do during this journey is taking one step at a time. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you've probably been using all of these products on your skin and you cannot just switch. I mean, you could if you want to, if you have the mind to, if you have the guts, but you would need to take one step at a time, because switching entirely can be a lot more tactical for your skin and for you to deal with than, you know, taking systematic steps to switch from using this type of product to using safer skincare products. By taking one step at a time, that would mean replacing one harmful skincare product with a healthy skincare product. Now, an advice that I like to give for people that talk to me about things like this, or people that I guide through this process, is starting with your toner. Now, there is no need using a toner that is bleaching your skin. It is not doing the job. First of all, toners are meant to rebalance your skin, so anything that a toner is doing, apart from adding good active ingredients to your skin and balancing your skin, if it is lightening your skin, then you're using the wrong toner. So I see all of these cleansers that they put 3D cleansers, and then the smell is first of all very, very harsh, like something that is from like a chemical factory. You have no business using it on your skin, but you see people using it to cleanse their skin. I saw a video somewhere, I probably will insert the clip in this video or not, but this lady had this, you know, skin lightening cleanser on her skin, in her hand, and I mean, the camera could not even capture her because she was looking so white. I'm not taking jabs at anybody, but I mean, those things, they have repercussions at the end, and you don't want to get into that. So yeah, replacing, let's say, first a toner with a safe skincare toner. I'm going to pop up a picture of a toner like that I made, and I also have them linked in the description, or listed as well in the description box, so you would get the type of products that I'm talking about. So get a toner that is hydrating to the skin, that will rebalance your skin, that has, you know, all of those skin pampering ingredients. I'm not saying that there are no treatment toners like AHA, BHA toners, or, you know, niacinamide and all of those active ingredient type of toners, but in this case you would want to replace your harsh toner with a gentle toner just to support your skin barrier. That's the word. You're actually trying to help your skin barrier. And even if you're somebody that has already damaged your skin, this tip in this video would help you repair your skin again. So definitely keep watching. When it comes to taking one product out per time, you want to start with the least performing products and then build up to the top performing products. Like I said, you could start from removing the toner first before you move on ahead to remove a lightening face cream that you're using and replace it with another active that is better for the skin. Next thing to do is reducing usage of these products per day, like how many times you use it per day. So if you're using bleaching products on your skin, the next best thing to do, apart from taking one product out per time, is reducing the number of times that you use these products per day. So one thing you want to do is use just normal moisturizing products during the day and making sure that you nurture your skin, and then using these other products at night. Now, I'm not saying that you cannot completely stop using these products per time, but like I said, if you do it at once, it might really affect your journey and might become very discouraging. So yeah, shifting from using the product maybe 2 to 3 times a day to using it just once per day and probably in the night will be better for you, because yes, using lightening products is better at night than using it during the day, because if you use them and then you go under the sun, it makes your skin more prone to damage. So yeah, replacing your lightening, let's say lotion during the day, with maybe a vitamin C lotion like this one that I have here. This one is the Medix 5.5 lotion, and this one is the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C lotion. These are great brightening options for the skin. I've also already filmed a video. What implementing a change like this would do for your skin is start teaching your skin how to deal with, you know, milder skin nourishing products or ingredients. Now, you don't only have to use vitamin C lotions during the day. You could use an ordinary lotion. It could just be something that just moisturizes your skin and keeps you, you know, supple and hydrated, and that would totally be fine. I mentioned vitamin C here because vitamin C lotions is a great option for daytime, especially if you're using it with sunscreen to protect your skin. But yeah, a change like this would greatly be beneficial in your transition journey. When you notice that your skin is beginning to build tolerance for this or build capacity for this, the next thing that you want to do is reduce the number of times again and reduce it to some nights per week. That could be using your lightening products for 4 nights a week or 3 nights a week, depending on what you're comfortable with. But yeah, the next step would be greatly reducing the amount of time or pushing the tolerance of your skin further, and then watching how things go for your skin. So like I said, a great option is reducing it to 4 nights per week. That's every other night, or 3 nights per week, as you please, and that will greatly help your skin to build tolerance. Now you might want to ask me, so other nights, what do I use on my skin? Now when you're going through this journey, for the first 1 to 3 months, you want to avoid using lots of active on your skin. I would have said use an exfoliating lotion like the Amlactin lotion or the Alpha Skincare lotion. I'm going to pop up pictures so you see them on the screen, but I would greatly advise that you actually wait at least a month before you include using products like this. Why? Because they contain this high percentage of active. While they are good for the skin, bleaching products already take from the surface of your skin, so they thin out your skin. So, and most of these bleaching products also contain some exfoliants as well incorporated in them. And now I know that when I talk about bleaching products, the only thing that comes to mind is hydroquinone, but hydroquinone is not the only lightening agents that could ruin your skin. Now there's products in Africa that carry an ingredient called mercury. They carry steroids as well. Lightening products also contain niacinamide, they contain arbutin, they contain retinol as well. It's not necessarily a product that contains hydroquinone. Is a product that contains high percentage of lightening products that could be detrimental to your skin in the long run. So when I'm talking bleaching products, please don't just think hydroquinone. Think of all of those products that they market to you that contains kojic acid, abutin, you know, koji berry, all those things, 3 days. And sometimes they just stamp this thing on the bottles and you don't really know what's inside. I mean, really try to avoid products like that, because those are the exact dangerous things that I'm talking about, or those are the exact dangerous products that I'm talking about. So yeah, reducing to every other night per week would help you build tolerance for your skin. So yeah, that's it for this video today. Those are the points that I wanted to share for now. I'm going to do another part of this video to further guide you through this journey. I'm actually going to make a series out of this to guide you through this journey. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please definitely make sure that you're subscribed, and make sure that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post the video, so that you don't miss any updates. And yeah, I hope this video was pretty much helpful to you. Like I said, do not pressure yourself about this. Just know that this is going to be a long ride, but it is definitely worth the while. When you make a switch like this, you're able to get better skin that you'll be more confident in. You stop dealing with you know, hyperpigmentation. I mean, hyperpigmentation around the body could be normal, but it could be greatly managed if you're using the right skincare products. Now in my next video, I'm going to explain further on which of, you know, the lightening products can or should remain in your skincare routine, especially if you're trying to brighten up your skin and just look a lot, you know, vibrant and better. But for now, the only product that I would say I support to still be in your regimen would be lightening soaps, and it could be lightening soaps or shower gels, and also lightening oils. Why? Because these are low performers on the skin. They don't do too much apart from just picking up your skin and making you look brighter. But like I said, in subsequent videos, I'm going to explain further on what to do and how to continue going with this journey, and what to still expect. This, for the first 2 months, will be very helpful for you, or even 3 months would be very helpful for you. But as you move along this journey, you will need to do more. And yes, in my subsequent videos, I'm going to talk to you about them. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. If you have any questions for me, you can leave them in the comment section and I will do well to respond. Yeah, as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.